Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by freeing system resources. Close browsers, overlays, and recording apps so Metal has full CPU and GPU headroom. Next, open Metal settings and set recording to 60 FPS or to the exact frame rate of your source so frames don't drop. Then enable hardware encoding like NVENC or AMD VCE. This offloads work to the GPU and reduces CPU stutter. Once done, run a short test clip to confirm frame pacing before moving to deeper fixes. You now diagnose the middle layer of the problem. Open Metal's Diagnostics or Capture with OBS for timestamp analysis to see if frames are delayed or dropped. If bitrate saturates your encoder, reduce it by 10 to 20% and test again, because an overloaded encoder causes micro-stutters. Also switch capture modes, borderless, full screen, or windowed, because different drivers handle those differently. Make incremental changes and test several short clips until you identify the combination. You finish by applying final fixes and verifying stability. Update your GPU drivers and the Metal app, then reboot so driver and encoder resets take effect. If live recording still lags, record locally with high-quality settings, and then upload the file to Metal to separate capture from upload overhead. Make sure overlays like Discord or Steam are disabled. These frequently introduce microstutter. If problems continue after updates and local recording, rerun diagnostics and note any repeating timestamp patterns to target the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.